Hi, I'm Lisa Taylor. I'm a pharmacist here at Hooks Apothecary, and I wanted to show you an example of one way we dispense topical medications in topical syringes. So your medication may come in a syringe similar to this. For human or animal use in a 1 ml syringe, we do have other size syringes depending on the amount of cream needed. So the doses are typically calibrated. Each number shown on the syringe is a dose. It'll be shown on the label as 0.1 mLs. So this syringe currently has 10 doses in it at a 0.1 dosing. To get the medication out of the syringe, you'll pop off the colored tip cap, and then we recommend kind of holding it closer to the top here and not pushing from the end. You might squirt it all out, but slowly inching down the plunger to the appropriate dose. So I pushed my 0.1 out to from the 1 to the 0.9, and I've got my medication. Now for human use, the label will direct you where to apply it depending on the medication. Areas include the wrist, upper inner thigh. For animals, for our pet patients, do a lot of medications like this for cats, and you'll apply the medication to the inner ear flap where there's not a lot of hair on the cat, and just rub it in like so. We'll also dispense gloves so that way the animal will get the medication and not you.